Hi friends, good morning. This is Jagdale. You are watching my channel Take STO. Friends, today I was traveling to one place. On the way, my car broke down. It has got minor problem, which I will show you. This is the gear lever. It is playing freely. See, I am trying to put reverse gear, but it is not holding. I could able to bring my car to my place, but gear is not getting changed. Same way, fifth gear also not getting place. It is getting released. Now I have put fourth gear, but see, lever is free. Now in third gear, but lever is playing freely. This is first gear, but lever is playing freely. This is second. So in each gear, lever is getting free, and there is no Maruti authorized center nearby. So what I have decided, I asked them what to do now. So their service advisor advised me there may be a bush problem with the car. So get it checked with the local mechanic, and by replacing the bush, he will be able to repair the car. So this is the bush, very pretty cheap. It's only 30 rupees they have charged me. So I am going to replace this. So friends, this is the cover. Firstly, you will have to remove. There are, I hope, locks inside this. So if I pull it like this, see, this cover has come out. This leather part is free and it can be just pulled it up. Now this is the place. If you can see this black portion, this is the bush which is broken, and mechanic has put a wire over it so that I can temporarily use the car. You see here, this is the place, this is the how mechanic has put a wire over here instead of bush, because bush was worn out and he said he was not having bush. So that bush now I am going to replace after removing this wire. Friends, to reach out to that point where bush is placed, or bush is going to be replaced. See, this side panel needs to be removed. So it has one screw here and another screw is here. So that needs to be removed first, and this panel will come out, and after that I'll be able to reach to that point where bush needs to be replaced. I have removed this center panel. Also this panel, if you see, this panel also needs to be removed, so that you can easily access the point, and I'll show you the point where bush needs to be replaced. This point, this mechanic has put a wire or something, and made it firm here. This cable, this is the cable which is controlling reverse gear. See, this is the cable controlling reverse gear. This is the place where bush is going to be fixed. And firstly I'll remove this wire put by mechanic, so that I'll be able to remove this wire from here and put the bush and then push inside. I have removed wire which was attached with this lever, wire lever, and this rod. This wire is removed by me now, and this is the bush. See, this is the new bush. I am going to place it now. So this bush, firstly you have to place inside this. I have pushed it inside and it is fixed here. Now slowly engage it with this lever. You see, slowly engage and place it. Now it is engaged. It is working fine. There is no problem with gear changing and all now. All gears are working fine. Your problem of changing first gear, second gear, fifth gear and reverse gear can be solved with the help of this technique, so that you need not to rush to the mechanic, and you can do it yourself and remove the lever problem in your car. Friends, thank you very much for watching this video. Do like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.